outcome of a low-speed, high-acceleration head-on collision between a 2003 Mercedes-Benz CL55 AMG and a stretch limousine. This photograph illustrates an approximate 4-foot lateral displacement of the Mercedes-Benz CL55 AMG front end and an 8-foot lateral displacement of the limousine's front end. The rear tire of the limousine is in the lane where the head-on collision occurred. The rear tire of the Mercedes-Benz CL55 AMG is forward and slightly to the left side of its location upon the initiation of this head-on collision, as if it continued to travel. Thus the difference between 8 and 4 feet. Front clips of both vehicles were sheared off, generally speaking. The limousine crumpled on the driver's side, whereas the Mercedes-Benz CL55 buckled on the opposite driver's side. Path of the Mercedes-Benz CL55 is shown here. From an approximate 25 mph cruising speed, just 3 to 4 seconds before this result. Upon a low-speed automatic downshift, the Mercedes-Benz CL55 AMG lunged forward out of its lane before the driver released throttle and attempted recovery, as its momentum was still carrying it forward and to the left. Limousine exited the Bethpage State Golf Course at approximately 45 mph, merging into its lane, appearing directly in front of the Mercedes-Benz CL55 AMG, before both drivers braced on the accelerators. A witness in the golf course parking lot claimed there were no skidding sounds, no brake noise, just the loud impact. Witnesses in another vehicle behind the Mercedes-Benz CL55 AMG claimed to have lost sight for only a moment around the curve. This next photograph in the background. Here we also see the path of the limousine with curb markers, and the absorbent beneath the limousine's rear axle indicates the dry shaft pierced the rear differential, causing gear oil to leak. Again, we also see the 8-foot lateral displacement of the front end of the limousines. Shown here is the Mercedes-Benz CL55 AMG integrated seatbelt and buckled or bent seat back. Its integrated seatbelt limits the connection of the shoulder belt to the top of the seat. The seat is allegedly reinforced to sustain the upper body weight of an occupant. Unfortunately, no injuries were noted on the front passenger's right shoulder as a result of the seat back failure. Moving on, we see the post-collision front seat positions of the Mercedes-Benz CL55 AMG, illustrating an approximate 40-degree difference between an unrestrained driver's seat in its original position and a bent passenger seat. Here we also see the steering wheel bent into the dashboard. This fact, alongside the passenger's medical records and driver's autopsy report, both noting rear head injuries, are clear illustrations that the airbags deployed after the vehicle came to a rest. The 500 horsepower capability of this Mercedes-Benz CL55 AMG overcame its airbag module's ability to have its decelerometer sense any deceleration before the front clip of the vehicle was sheared off. Thus, the airbags did not timely deploy. Mercedes-Benz is aggressively defending their product in this relatively straightforward display of the failure of their base model safety systems in their highly modified AMG counterparts. These same seats are used across all SL and CL AMG models from 1999 to the present time. Power has been increased from 516 foot-pounds of torque in 2003 up to 750 foot-pounds of torque, and horsepower has been increased from 500 up to 650 relatively.